Hi, Jess here from Purely Beauty. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello. So this is my first ever video of the animated version of myself, and in this video I want to talk about this fantastic device called the Galvanic Spa, so let's get into it. So I will put a photo up just here showing what the device looks like, and this spa is a facial toning device that has a microcurrent technology that stimulates your skin. For the best results possible, I recommend that you use this facial spa about 2 or 3 times a week, and by doing this you can get a more vibrant and youthful looking skin. It is great for getting rid of wrinkles and also fine lines, and also it can get rid of the flap you may have underneath your arms. So now I want to explain the 4 steps of using this device. First, you want to make sure that you have a nice clean face, and then you want to cleanse your face with the Age Lock Gentle Cleanse and Tone. Second, you want to start using this spa, and how you do that is you want to attach the facial conductor. You just line it up on the top and press firmly. Then apply a decent amount of the conductor gel and apply it in a upward motion. And make sure to avoid the eyes. And also, the Galvanic Spa has 7 settings, and how you get the settings up is press the selection button 4 times to get the spa treatment setting, and this treatment takes 5 minutes. Now what you want to do is touch it to your face, wait till you hear 3 beeps, and make sure that it stays in contact with your face while you're doing this treatment. Now you're finished with this step. Next, you want to apply more conductor gel to your face and press the button on the Galvanic Spa 3 times and repeat the last step. Now you are done, and to turn it off, just press the button in the middle till it goes blank. Now you want to use a damp cloth and remove any gel that is still on your face. And last thing you want to do is apply the rejuvenating gel to your skin. After that, you want to apply the moisturizer or your go-to treatment product. So enjoy, and if you would like to get your hand on this product, go down to the description below and there should be a link for you to purchase. So have a good day, and I'll see you all later.